Hello, if you need to write documents, edit files, or open Word documents on your Android phone, installing Microsoft Word is a simple and useful option. You don't need any technical skills, just follow these easy steps. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the Google Play Store. You can find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data so the download runs smoothly. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top and type Microsoft Word. Press search and you will see a list of results. From there, carefully choose the official app called Microsoft Word Edit Documents, which is published by Microsoft Corporation. This is important because there are many similar apps, so always pick the original one. Now tap the green install button. The app size is usually around 80-90 MB, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. During installation, your phone will automatically download and set up the app. After it finishes, you will see an open button. Tap it to launch Microsoft Word for the first time. You may be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it or skip and continue with basic features. Once everything is set up, you can start creating new documents, editing files, and saving your work directly on your phone. Microsoft Word is now ready to use anytime you need it.